Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest prediction analysis video of BTC. Before starting this video, I recommend to join my Telegram group. Link is available in video description, guys. If you want unlimited crypto signals, so must join my Telegram group. Link is available in video description. Currently, guys, you can see here from long time BTC completely moving in a sideways trend, guys. There is not uptrend, there is not downtrend in a BTC, but currently, if it reject from this resistance level, so currently I'm pretty sure now the downtrend is start, guys. If you look here, so also it's looking the downtrend, guys. Maybe big possibilities for BTC that it will dump to $28,000. I also give you a signal, I also do a prediction many times for BTC that it will dump. It's necessary for BTC that it tastes $28,000 once again, guys. And if after that again maybe a little bit the price again start moving in upward direction, guys. But currently I'm completely bearish on BTC, guys. What's your opinion? What's your prediction for BTC? Please share in the comment box. And for more latest update, for more fundamental latest news, join my Telegram group. Link is available in video description.